Hello dear friends. Today we are going to multiply these factors to get product over here by using asterisk symbol. Enter the equals sign symbol and then we are going to use value 1, 2, 3 which is in B3 cell reference, B4 and B5. So first we will click over here, we will get B3 because value 1 is in B3, and then shift number 8 in your keyboard. Press shift and number 8 in your keyboard, you will get this asterisk symbol. Then you're going to click on B4, again shift number 8, then click on 3 and you will get cell reference B5. Then press enter, you will get the product of 3 times 2 times 1. So 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 returns 6. Just drag this active cell to right until column H and you will get the result. You will get overall result of our product. So 7 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 9 will return 504. If you change the values, for example 2 times 2 times 2 will return 8. Alright friends, we have seen how asterisk sign was used in creating multiplication formula, simple formula, and we dragged it horizontally to fill the rest of the cells. Now we are going to do similar thing in a new table, and in this case we will drag the formula. Once we have created the formula, we will drag it down so as in order to fill the following cells with the product, which will be a product of the factors that are given in the same row. Alright, now I will enter equal sign, click on A4, which is carrying now value 1, then press shift number 8 to get asterisk sign, then click with your mouse left button on B4 so that you can get the value 2, then press shift and number 8 to get asterisk, then click on C4 to get value 3. Okay. So 1 times 2 times 3 will be 6. We've got the product. Okay, these are the factors and we have the product. So when we copy the formula, we will use this active cell to copy the formula vertically downward, and you will see that these cell references will be changed accordingly. Here we can see that this is A10 multiplied by B10 multiplied by C10. Okay, so 7 times 8 times 9 is 504. If we change the value from 7 to 2 and 8 to 2 and 9 to 2, you will get 8 because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Alright, so we have seen how this multiplication formula can be created and how it can be copied vertically and horizontally. So that's just about it now as far as multiplication is concerned with the asterisk symbol. Have a nice day, take care of yourselves, and thank you very much.